Let's be real. Building a personal brand feels amazing until you realize passion alone doesn't pay the bills. The good news? You don't need millions of followers to start earning. You just need clarity, trust, and the right monetization strategy. So let's dive into 10 proven ways to monetize your personal brand. 1. Coaching or consulting. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning. You already have knowledge that someone else is trying to learn, whether it's mindset, marketing, fitness, or freelancing. Package your expertise into one-on-one or group coaching. The secret is to solve one specific problem for one specific type of person. 2. Digital products. Ebooks, templates, guides, or mini courses. These are your digital assets. They take effort once, but can sell forever. Create a simple resource that helps people achieve a quick win, like a content planner or clarity workbook. 3. Online courses. Once you've proven your process, turn it into a full course. Courses let you scale your time. One lesson can help thousands. Focus on transformation, not just information. 4. Memberships or communities. People don't just want information, they want connection. Build a private membership or group where people can grow together. Recurring income, deeper relationships, and a loyal audience. That's the power of community. 5. Brand partnerships and sponsorships. If you create consistent, high-quality content, brands will notice. Partner with companies that align with your message and values. Authenticity always wins. Work only with brands you'd personally buy from. Trust is your real currency. 6. Affiliate marketing. You don't have to create products to earn income. You can recommend tools and products you already love. Affiliate marketing is about trust. Be transparent and share why you love what you promote. That honesty turns your audience into loyal customers. 7. Speaking engagements and workshops. As your authority grows, opportunities to speak will come naturally, on podcasts, panels, or stages. Even if you start small, public speaking builds massive credibility. You're not just selling knowledge, you're sharing your story. 8. Physical products or merch. If you have a strong community identity, consider products your audience can wear or use. Branded merchandise, planners, or journals that reflect your message. Physical products create emotional connection. 9. Services and freelance offers. Sometimes, the simplest path is offering your skills directly. Strategy, design, writing, or marketing. Your personal brand becomes your best portfolio, attracting clients who already trust your expertise. 10. Licensing and collaborations. Once your ideas gain traction, you can license your frameworks or content to other businesses. You can also co-create products or experiences with other creators. Collaborations expand your reach and open new income streams. The bonus truth: your brand is the asset. Every post, every relationship, every story, it's all compounding value. When people trust you, they don't just buy from you, they believe in you. Monetization isn't about chasing money, it's about creating value that earns it. Pick one or two of these paths, master them, then let your growth and income expand naturally. Because when your brand stands for something real, opportunities never stop coming.